So question 3, one way to write a percentage is a ratio comparison out of 100. For example, the ratio 15 out of 100 represents 15 parts out of 100 total parts. So Jill represents the amount of saturated fat in the recommended daily amount with the ratio of 3/20. What does a 3 represent? Well, this 3 represents was our 3 grams. All right, so that's why it's always important to label our ratios, label our stuff. So that is going to be on top. The 3 represent our 3 grams of fat. What does the 20 represent? So the 20, if you remember, was our percent of fat that we're supposed to have. So the bottom is talking about percents, the top is talking about grams. 3 grams is 20% of the fat that we should have for our daily intake. For B, the ratio is 15 over 100 and 3/20 are two different ways to compare the saturated fat in one serving to the recommended daily amount. How can we show that the ratios are equivalent? Well, how can I show that these are equal to each other? So I could do one of two things. I could multiply this one, top and bottom, by 5. And if I do that, that'll give me 15 over 100. So it shows it's equal to that. And then another way that I can go about showing this instead is I could take this ratio and I could divide both top and bottom by 5. 15 divided by 5 is the 3. 100 divided by 5 is the 20. So that's a way that I can show that these two things are equal to each other.